arbitrationagreements.org. Today we are diving deep into a fascinating aspect of alternative dispute resolution. It's known as an intractable conflict. Now, what does that even mean? Let's unravel the mystery. The word intractable sounds a little intimidating, right? An intractable conflict is a dispute that seems to resist mediation or negotiation. It's like that one knot in your shoe that no matter how hard you try, just doesn't seem to untangle. Did you know that around 1/3 of all conflicts in many common formal processes are considered intractable? That's a significant chunk. These conflicts often have deep roots. They might span generations, involve intense emotions, or be entangled with broader societal issues. In some cases, the stakeholders have had such negative interactions over time that they become deeply entrenched in their positions. Now, what's the biggest reason these conflicts are so stubborn? The primary culprits are usually high stakes, profound mistrust, and underlying value differences. These elements can make these conflicts feel like they're impossible to resolve. But here's a fun fact for you. While they're challenging, they aren't impossible. There are specific strategies and methodologies that experts use to approach these seemingly insurmountable disputes. These strategies involve digging deep, understanding the core issues, and sometimes thinking outside the proverbial box. Let's sprinkle in another interesting statistic. Studies have shown that when stakeholders are involved in designing the process for resolving an intractable conflict, there is a 60% higher chance of reaching a resolution. Collaboration and co-creation are key. So, the next time you come across a problem or conflict that seems unresolvable, remember the term intractable conflict. Don't be deterred. With patience, understanding, and the right approach, even the most stubborn disputes can find a way towards resolution. For help resolving your own intractable conflict quicker, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that, give us a call. Also, what do you think about intractable conflicts? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you succeed.